Dear friends, welcome to Learning Abode. In this video, I've come up with a great news. TCS, they have announced two massive off-campus hiring, one of which is MBA hiring 2024. In this video, I'll be sharing the information regarding the important dates, the eligibility criteria, and like how to apply, and also like the test pattern. Okay, so this is for the 2024 graduates, and the registration date, the last day to register is 18th of December 2023, and the test date is 22nd January 2024. Okay, now please do not wait until the last date. Apply as early as possible, only then you may get the center of your choice. Okay, so please be very careful with that. So next I'll share the eligibility criteria. So who are eligible to apply? Those who are passing out in 2024, who are completing full-time management courses like MBA, MMS, PGDBA, PGDM, okay, etc., offered by a recognized university with specializations in marketing, finance, operations, SEM, IT, general management, business analytics, project management, or related disciplines will be considered. And as far as percentage criteria is concerned, please remember you should have a minimum of 60% in all academic milestones. Okay, that is 10th, 12th, and graduation. You should have graduation and post graduation. You should have a minimum of 60%. Okay, and as far as the highest course is concerned, you should complete in the stipulated time. For example, if your MBA is a 2-year course, okay, then you should have completed in the 2-year in the given 2 years. Okay. And see, this is a thing, there is often conflict with our viewers here. Okay, so as far as graduation background is concerned, they always mention that BE BTech is mandatory. Okay, that is, your graduation should be BE BTech. Prior to MBA it should be BE BTech. That is what they always mention. But often I get a different perception from the our friends here, our viewers here in the comments, that okay, even though I don't have BE BTech, I have a different graduation and then I've completed MBA, still I'm eligible for the written test process. That is what sometimes people say. Even in this video also I hope to get such comments. Okay, but this is what it is mentioned officially. That's what I'm sharing here. Okay, and as far as current arrears are concerned, backlogs, okay, a maximum of 1 backlog is permitted because this is for 2024. Okay, and the maximum gap allowed is like maximum of 2 years is allowed. And as far as course type is concerned, only full time, okay, is permitted. Full time graduates, postgraduate, and all that, full time only is permitted. The only exception is NIOS. Okay, in secondary and senior secondary, if you're completed from NIOS, that is National Institute of Open Schooling, then you are eligible. Okay, and as far as work experience is concerned, this is for purely for freshers. But if you have any kind of an experience, it is very important that you share, you have to share those details in the application. And the maximum age limit is 28 years. And as far as test pattern is concerned, verbal ability, quantitative ability, and business aptitude. So this is what is given. Okay, so in our channel Learning About, we have videos and test platform related to quantitative aptitude, and for verbal we have questions available in our test platform. You can make use of it. Okay, now this is the test pattern, 90 minutes, 3 sections. So verbal, quants, and business aptitude. Okay, and as I said, this is only an in-center test, and you have to choose the center of your choice as this is on a first come first serve basis. Okay, right, and so other registration details follows. Now the link to apply I have provided in the description below. Please click on that link. Now if you are new to this registration, this is hiring that is happening under IT category. Okay, so you have to register under IT. That's very important. You have to register under IT, do the basic registration. Once you do the basic registration, that is the next step, portal registration, you will get an email to your registered email ID. Then you have to verify that email. And please remember, Aadhaar is very essential. Okay, without Aadhaar you cannot do the registration. You should have a unique email ID, mobile number, and Aadhaar is also important. Okay, so once you complete the next step, portal registration, you will get a verification, as I said, and then you have to complete the verification. Then you have to fill up the application form. Okay, wherein they ask for your personal details, your academic details, your languages known, achievement, etc., right? And then you have to upload your resume. Okay, so maybe in the document okay, in the prescribed format, you have to upload your latest resume and also upload your latest photograph. Okay, and so you have to choose in center. Okay, so in center is only available, and also you have to choose, you know, like you have to very importantly, you have to click on apply. Once you have completed the application, if you are eligible, it will show this apply for drive. It is usually it is shown on the left side top. Okay, you should click on this apply for drive, and to confirm that you have done your application process. Okay, now your status should reflect as applied for drive. Okay, the status should reflect as applied for drive. Only then you have completed the application, and it has reached. Okay, so it has only then it means that it has reached TCS. Okay, so please be very careful with this. Now if you have any queries, please do post your questions in the comment section below. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.